How to get your YouTube music recap. Want to see your year in music and share your top artists with the world? The YouTube Music Recap is your personalized deep dive into your listening habits, but it can be a little tricky to find if you don't know where to look. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to access your recap so you can relive your favorite musical moments and see those 2026 stats. First, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as the recap feature won't appear on older builds. Open the YouTube Music app on your mobile device and tap your profile picture in the top right-hand corner. From the menu, select Your Recap. This will take you to your dedicated landing page where you can tap Get Your Recap to watch your story-style presentation. If you're on a desktop, you can simply head to youtube.com/recap to see your stats on the big screen. Here is an expert pro tip. If your recap isn't showing up, check your Google account settings. You need at least 10 hours of listening time for a yearly recap. And if your watch history is paused or set to auto-delete every 3 months, YouTube won't have enough data to build your story. Turn those settings back to on now to ensure you don't miss out on next season's recap. Now you're ready to share your music journey with your friends. If this video helped you find your stats, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. I'm curious, who was your #1 artist this year? Let me know in the comments below.